Assalamu alaikum. Ben Adlan Marib'den Michael Bilman. Damlık yazgıçı tilshunos shoir Abdurahim O'tkir vafotining 20 yillik xotira kunida marhumni chunqur seginish va hurmat bilan eslaymiz. Tuanda men sizlarga Abdurahim O'tkirning shoirini iz nomli shoirini inglizcha deklamatsiya qilib beraman. Young we were when we set out on our long journey. Now our grandchildren have taken up the reins. Few we were when we set off on our tiresome way. Now we, a caravan, leave tracks in the wilderness. Left were our tracks in the wilderness, even upon the peaks of the mountains. Left were our heroes unburied in the dry desert. Yet they were not left unburied where the tamarisks grow red. They lie in tombs of blossoms and flowers of spring. Our tracks remain. Our legacy remains. Everything remains at a distance. And though the wind may blow and the sands shift, our tracks will never fade. Though our horses waste away ceaselessly, our caravan presses on. In the end, we leave these tracks for our progeny one day to find.